Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Deactivating a virtual environment, venv, in Python is a simple process, but it's important to understand why you might want to deactivate it and how it works. A virtual environment is a self-contained directory that contains a Python installation for a particular version of Python, as well as a number of additional packages. It's used to keep dependencies required by different projects separate and to avoid conflicts between them. Deactivating a virtual environment essentially means exiting from its isolated environment and returning to the global Python environment. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to deactivate a venv in Python. Before you can deactivate a virtual environment, you need to ensure that it's activated. If you haven't already activated it, you can do so by navigating to the directory where your virtual environment is located and running the activation script. You can verify that the virtual environment is activated by checking the command prompt or terminal. If the virtual environment is active, you'll typically see its name in the command prompt, indicating that you're currently working within that environment. Once you're finished working within the virtual environment and want to return to the global Python environment, you can deactivate it by simply typing. After running the deactivate command, you'll notice that the virtual environment's name disappears from the command prompt, indicating that you've successfully exited the virtual environment and returned to the global Python environment. Let's go through an example scenario. Deactivating a virtual environment in Python is a straightforward process that involves running the deactivate command in your terminal or command prompt. By deactivating the virtual environment, you exit its isolated environment and return to the global Python environment. This helps you manage dependencies effectively and prevents conflicts between different projects. ChatGPT.